Focus. Focus. Good job, B. Yeah, push it over. Good job. Yeah, so we can see better when we pulled out of our driveway. Oh my goodness. Grabe. No, we have to make sure.
Okay. Yeah. All right, Jenny, let's go snowshoe. Tropical weather. You'd never thought you'd be walking in 10 feet of snow. Okay?
Yeah. My goodness.
What is that?
That's a bag.
For what?
For your, you know what.
Oh, I knew you know that.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Look at the bright side. Summer's just around the corner.
Hi. We have to install our doorbell.
When the weather's better. No one's gonna rob us in this weather. If they do, good for them. They deserve it.
Whatever. Wait. Should I just stay?
Thanks for volunteering, but I might go back and give you the money to go buy the booze.
No thanks. Hey, give me that.
See the fucking sidewalk. She's taking the day off.
It's family holiday. Whew. I'm out of breath. Ah.
We should have brought a toboggan.
That would have been perfect for you to pull me out. Hey. Hey.
Video.
No. Hey.
Here, watch this. Put your hand on your shoulder. Wait.
Oh.
Gotta stretch my quads.
Right on this side, they don't have much snowbanks.
Yeah, hold on.
See? You okay? Pupunta lang kami ng tindahan. Naglalakad. Oh. Walang hiya. Didn't even stop. This is a good exercise, ba?
What?
I feel like climbing up the hill.
Usually get snowshoes. You got good boots on?
Yeah. Yeah, it's good. About you. Ay, lamig.
The snowmobiles are out.
Yeah, I think so. They were out last night. Tingnan nyo.
They're all models.
Unsa?
These were the models.
That's right.
This is the model Rita.
And it's up for sale.
That was the one we bought.
Yeah.
Yeah, they like that one. That was the first one we saw.
That's right. Yeah. Go ahead, pa. This is our exercise. Burning our calories. Grabe. Sana matapos na tong snow na to. Grabe. I've had it. I said I've had it.
Yeah, you all
Got so much snow.
don't let this truck go.
Yeah.
We're gonna go diagonal.
Okay.
Okay, give me a hand.
Yeah.
How come you don't have a glove on?
I'm okay.
I told you, bring a glove.
And really,
Huh?
I said really.
This one is worse than the other side.
Careful though. Oh. Ay. Hinihingal na ako kasi ang daming snow. Malamig. Ang hirap maglakad kasi makapal yung snow. Kaya yung iba naglalakad sa daan kasi sa sidewalk daming snow, tapos sa daan wala ganong snow. Hindi na ako makapagsalita. These people, their driveway, daming snow, hindi na sila makadaan. Oh my God. So guys, I've been walking for 15 minutes. Ang daming snow. And then we're gonna go to Circle K. Meron lang kaming bibilhin.
Do we get them?
Just get them the Jackson Triggs.
Sure.
One for them. And then so ayun, natapos na kami sa tindahan, pauwi na kami.
The fuck you saying?
Pauwi na.